Yo, welcome to the vlog. Today we are doing a Halloween makeup look, which I have not done in ages. We are doing the Joker, because you know there was a film apparently recently. I did not see it. I found this picture on Pinterest, so I don't actually know who this girl is, but this is the inspiration. If anyone knows who she is, let me know. I think we can do that. I am in a dressing gown on purpose because, obvious reason, I'm doing makeup and I don't want to get clothes dirty. You know? We're gonna do hair first. I'm gonna have a massive forehead. Everyone else has dyed their hair. I can't do that. My hair stains, even if it's one of those wash in, wash out, it stains. For at least a year. So we're not doing that. We're just gonna put my hair back and pretend that it's like green and wet, when really it's not. Feel very, very ill still. We're gonna do my normal base and then we will do the rest of the makeup once we got the base done. I've actually missed doing Halloween stuff. Just makeup in general I miss doing. I used to do makeup like all the time on live streams, like cool looks, and then I just stopped doing it as much and I miss it. So this is gonna be fun. Minimize the forehead, shrink it all down. For concealer we are going to do Shape Tape concealer because it's the palest one that I have and I feel like that's what we need. I'm just gonna need you to trust the process. This is going somewhere, I think. We're using a very pale powder to try and just pale the base up because right now it looks like I've just been on holiday. And I don't know if the Joker goes to the beach. I'm gonna say no. I might be wrong. Don't want to assume. Okay. Yeah. That's something. Oh, I forgot to say, Melvin's here again. He's having a nap. We are doing eyebrows. We're doing green eyebrows. I'm not very excited about this, to be honest. Kind of scared. We could do this, which is neon. Or we could just use eyeshadow. I think this will stain, but I'm willing to take that risk. But I do think first I need to like coat my eyebrows in like a base coat, just so it sticks. Well, this is quite interesting. I don't know if that's too green. You know, I feel like it needs to be dark. Not dark dark, but like not neon. We're just gonna do it. If it looks too bright, I can always put eyeshadow over the top. See where my eyebrows darker? It doesn't look as bad, but where my eyebrows lighter, it looks crazy. Is this gonna stain? Place your bets now. Comment if you think the green is gonna stain or not. We are gonna do the eyeshadow now. We're gonna use a eyeshadow base just to make the colours pop a bit more. I have so many different palettes that I've pulled out because I have like really specific eyeshadows that I want, but I don't know where they are. Like I know I have them, but I don't know where I put them. But we're just gonna have to make do with what I've got. These are all the palettes we've got. A lot of them are Anastasia Beverly Hills, and then I also have the 35B, which has a bunch of different purples in. So we're just gonna mix them up. I'm not really going into this with an actual plan, we're just doing it. So we'll see how it goes. We are going to put Cane's, the purple one. We're just gonna shove it in the corner. Could have done with a smaller brush, but I am limited on brushes because I don't know where all of them have gone. So I hate this brush. We're not using this brush anymore. We're gonna use this brush. So much smaller. It will be harder to blend, but I'm fine with that. This is very purpley. I want it to be more of a pinky purple. So we are going into the 35B palette. I don't know if they sell this anywhere. I don't think they do. I know they stopped doing it, but I don't know if they brought it back. We are going to use this angled brush just to create a bit more of a point, because right now it's just looking messy. Very messy. This is risky, but we're now gonna go in with black eyeshadow and just hope that I don't ruin it. I just need it to be a little bit darker. Okay, now we're gonna put glitter on. We have choices. We could go for more of like a glitter like eyeshadow, or we could go for this pigment which looks pink but it's not. Watch this. You see? I don't know if you can see it. The camera's not really picking it up very well. It's more of like a shimmery white, and I don't know if that's what I want or not. I think I might go with just a glittery one. Ding dong. This one's like sort of almost got a greenish color in it, which goes with the eyebrows. Guys, I just had to open the door like this to the postie. Bloody green eyebrows. Oh god. Oh well. Hope he enjoyed it. I hope he put 2 and 2 together and was like, ah, it's Halloween. It's Halloween. I hope he thought that, but I can't lie. He's quite an older gentleman, and I don't think he would have thought that, so he probably just thinks that I'm crazy. Yay. And it's like at the awkward phase where you can't tell if this is just my normal makeup or not. Like if I had the rest of the makeup on, he would have definitely known Halloween, but like, we are going to put some more primer on just to clean up the inner corners, and we are going to use a brush to do this because it's a cut crease. So there you go. We're just going to stick to the same brush just because why not? Keep it easy. It's got like just the right amount of green in it. I like it. I like it a lot. Cute. Okay, the next part we're gonna do the clown eye, if you know what I mean. So that is just gonna be a bunch of purple eyeshadow again, and then we will use eyeliner to do the rest. Okay, now we just need to soften the edges of this, and then the same on top. Now we need to do black eyeliner. I am so scared I am not great with eyeliner, we'll be honest. We're just gonna do over the top, wing, and then we're gonna do the next part. Wow. Scary. There we go. Honestly thought I was going to balls it up, but we didn't. We got there. Next eye. Don't be surprised if this one goes wrong. Okay. Okay, I'm not even mad at that. Do I, do I put lashes on, then do the, yeah. Me being me, I forgot to actually check if I had any lashes. We're just gonna go through this drawer and see what I have lying around. Ooh! I think I've used these for Halloween before, years ago. If, maybe I've never used them actually, they look brand new. It's giving broken doll, it's not giving the look that I need. I want like dramatic on the outer corner, but not on the inner corner. But I don't think I have that. Empty. Helpful. They'll do, right? Yeah. This is the part that I really don't want to do. All of the eyeliner. Just a line straight down, that's all we've got to do. Now we blend again. So much blending. It's not my friend. I think I need more purple on this one. I'm so scared to do this next part, but we're gonna do it for the TikTok. If it fails, it fails. I'm just gonna go like this and then go up. Ah! Oh my god, that actually worked. Okay. I didn't think that was gonna work, but it did. Wow. Okay, now we just clean it out. Black eyeshadow. There's a ha ha ha, and then there's loads of ha ha ha's. I don't think this is thin enough. I'm scared. We did the first ha. I think I'll do right. And then more of it. That's the look. Here she is. Done. I need to go and get the costume on and then I will be back. So goodbye. Guys, okay, I didn't think I was gonna slay this much, but wow. I think this is a win. I think I did pretty well. The only thing that I bought for this look was the corset. The shirt I already had, the trousers I already have, which these are going to be up on my Vinted, by the way. They were already up because they're way too big on me, but I've tucked them into the corset anyway, so it works. it works, and I'm not one to complain when something works. That's the look. Well, if you liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give it a big thumbs up anyway, because I'm desperate for love. I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!